Have you people all been outside seeing the airplanes? Because they're getting ready to close them.
They're closing?
They're going to close the planes up. That's what he just called about to see if anybody was coming out because they're going to close them. Okay?
No, it's just
Feel the pedals. The pedals do this. That's it. Good.
for this one, yes.
So if you haven't been outside, you might miss the planes. Okay. Keep the wings level. So you're flying. Turn to the right. Turn the wheel to the right. Turn the wheel to the right.
सेंटर करून घ्यायचं पहिले
Turn the wheel left. Level off. Turn left.
लेफ्ट
Left. Back just a little bit. Line up what I'm going. Turn left.
लेफ्ट ला गेला
There you go. Hold that. Not too far. That's good. Bring it back. Way too far.
राइट सेंटर
Bring it back. Bring it back. There you go. That's it. We're right on it now. Yeah, if you haven't out there, he's getting ready to close the C5, he said. Keep it level. Keep it level. Quit moving the wings around. Keep it level. Remember, on the ground, it's all feet. Keep it level. Keep it low. It's good. Keep it low.
राइटला राइट आता पायातलं जे ना त्यांनी राइटला घेतली राइटला होणार पायातलं राइट झालं की राइटला होणार
Right foot. Slide the right foot. Slide the right foot.
दाबा राइट दाबा आता उडल ते आता लेफ्ट आता सेंटर
All right. Good job. Good job, bud. Okay. Didn't even crash, did he?
No, he didn't crash. मग फक्त उडल्यावर ना मागं नका उडवा ते हँडल हातातलं त्याचं ते क्रॅश होते त्यांचं ते टेक ऑफ करते व्यवस्थित मला वाटते
You're welcome. Thank you.